is where your daddy was born.
Yep.
Yep. This is where you were born. You were born in the same room as baby William.
Was I a boy or a girl?
You were a boy baby.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in the bed right now. Baby.
There he is.
I tell. I got tell.
You want to turn?
Pretty flowers.
Okay.
Asher, would you like to turn and hold the baby? Okay, first we'll put down the pillow. There he is. He's gentle.
Baby.
He is your baby. Do you want to give him a kiss on the nose? Nice. That made him very happy.
Dad.
Do you have a nose, Asher?
Dad.
You have a nose just like our baby.
Dad.
Yeah.
Baby.
There he is. Can you say William?
Hey,
Baby.
That
have you been
works.
having fun?
Dad.
That's a pillow.
I miss you.
Yep.
Look what I have right
It's
there.
your brother. You're a big brother now.
Do we have the same eyes?
We have the same eyes.
Yes.
We have hairline.
Are you all done with your turn? You want to give him another kiss?
We have the same hand too. Yeah.
That was so sweet. Okay. You want to hold his hand? Okay. Hold out your finger. He'll
That's
hold
a
your
night
finger
light.
if you
She
hold
stays
it
on
out.
all the time.
That's the baby's ear. Do you see his ear?
I don't know.
It's a little sink.
I think.
So gentle. Very good.
Later.
Baby.
You can have some later.
Baby.
Hey, Noah. Let's do a little bit of hand washing, okay?
Dad.
It's my finger.
I'm gonna put some on your finger. You rub your hands
It's your
together like this.
baby.
Good. And then go like this.
Be gentle.
Yes, good.
Are you all done, Asher?
There you go. Good job.
It's okay if you're all done.
Give him one last kiss.